How to verify OKX account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your OKX account. To verify your OKX account, first of all, you need to open your OKX application on your mobile device. And here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here in this homepage, if you have not verified your account yet, you will see this continue verification or similar keyword on your homepage. You can simply tap on it to go through the process of verification. Or if you don't see this option, then you'll need to tap on this 9-dot icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, here you will reach to this page. Here at the top, tap on your profile name, and once you reach to this user center, here under profile tab, you'll be able to see identity verification option. Under it, you'll also be able to see the status of your verification, which is currently unverified in my case. Now tap on this identity verification, and here you will reach to this page where you'll be able to see the steps of the process of verifying your identity. Here it says that you need to provide ID and selfie verification along with your personal verification. Doing this helps you to secure your account and allow you to access the OKX services. Now tap on this Verify Now button at the very bottom, and here now you will need to choose your country and your ID type. To select the country, here you need to tap on this Edit button at the top and then tap on this Update button right here. Now you can choose the country by tapping on this option. Now in this page, you need to choose the country or the region of your residence. Once you have selected it, now you can tap on this Confirm button at the very bottom. Once doing that, your new country will be selected. Now here tap on this Select ID Type box and select the ID. You'll be given two different options, driver license and password. You may select any one of these options, but driver's license is recommended here. Tap on one of these options and now tap on Next. After doing that, you will need to enable permission to camera in order to scan your document. Tap on this Continue button at the bottom and tap on OK to allow the access. At the bottom, choose While using this app, and once you do so, you will be taken to this page. Here it says that you need to capture a clear and complete image of your document. Review all of them and now tap on this checkbox below to state that you have gave consent to OKX. Now tap on Start Verification and now be ready with your document. In this page, here you will need to scan your front side of your driving license or any document you have selected. After scanning the front side, now you will need to scan the back side of your document. After that, you will be proceed to verify your selfie. There you will need to follow the instructions to take a selfie for facial recognition. After that, you can submit the required documents. After submitting the required documents, OKX will review them. This might take up to 2 minutes. After that, once your verification is approved, you will receive a confirmation message and your account limits will be increased accordingly. So by following these steps, you should be able to verify your OKX account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.